Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Prime Video channel step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer for the easiest access to account settings. Go to Amazon.com and make sure you are on the correct country site for your account. Click Sign in and log in with the Amazon account that is paying for the channels. From the top menu, open Accounts and Lists to access your account options. Select your account to enter the main account settings page. Find and click Memberships and Subscriptions to see active subscriptions. Look for Prime Video channels in the list of memberships and open it. If you do not see it, type Prime Video channels in the search bar on your account page. On the Prime Video channels page, locate the channel you want to cancel. Click the button that says Cancel Channel or Cancel Subscription next to that channel. Read the on-screen message carefully to confirm what will happen after cancellation. Choose a cancellation reason if Amazon asks you to select one. Click Confirm Cancellation to submit your request. Check for a confirmation message on the screen that says your channel is canceled. Open your email inbox and look for a confirmation email from Amazon. If you do not receive an email, return to Memberships and Subscriptions to verify the status. If you subscribe through the Prime Video app, still manage cancellation from the Amazon website when possible. If you subscribe through a third party like Apple or Google, open that platform's subscription settings instead. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Subscriptions, and find the channel. On Android, open Google Play, tap your profile, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Cancel there and confirm to stop future billing on that platform. Back on Amazon, review your next billing date to ensure it will not renew. If you are offered an option to keep access until the end of the billing period, select it if you prefer. If you are offered a refund option, read the terms and choose the option you want. Take a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation page for your records. If you still see charges after canceling, contact Amazon customer service through help and support. When chatting with support, provide the channel name, charge date, and the account email used. Finally, refresh your Prime Video channels page to confirm the channel shows as canceled or expired. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.